The reason why we study internal security is security and development are two sides of the same coin. If this is security and this is development, this part is internal security and this is the people's happiness. Development is an all-round concept. Security is also an all-round concept. But the base of security is internal security. What is internal about it? I may be having a great suit on my body which protects me from cold, hot or something like that. But inside, I don't have the immunity power. Whatever I may wear, a slightest threat to my body, entering my body, will make all the suits that I wear infructuous, useless and absolutely non-worthy of it. You agree with me? You agree? యాక్చువల్గా నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఒకటి తెలుగులో చెప్పి మళ్ళీ ఐ ప్రొసీడ్. మన దేహంలో లోపల దారుఢ్యం లేకపోతే మనం పైన ఎన్ని లొసుగులు వేసుకున్నా ముసుగులు వేసుకున్నా ఆ లోపల దేహ దారుఢ్యం లేకపోతే మనం వేసుకున్నటువంటి ఆ సూట్స్ కానీ అవన్నీ కూడా యూజ్లెస్ అయిపోతాయి, ఉపయోగం లేకుండా పోతాయి. అందుకని లోపల ఇమ్యూనిటీ బాగుండాలి. ఇంటర్నల్ సెక్యూరిటీ అంటే అది ఇమ్యూనిటీ. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సెక్యూరిటీ అంటే ఏంటి? వీ హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ లైక్ ది ఇండియన్ ఆర్మీ, or we have an extraordinary relations in terms of our external affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, our embassies, our good relations, our currency power, and our all our external reserves of external currency, etc., foreign reserves currencies are all total security. But supposing we don't have internal security, supposing we don't have the internal health in our body, and that is going to make all the externalities that we have not contributing towards that essential aspect of security. And what is the essential aspect of security? Security deals with the concept of state. State comprises of 4 elements. What are the 4 elements of the state? Population, territory, government, and covering all, sovereignty. सार्वभौमाधिकार हिंदी में बोलते हैं सार्वभौमाधिकारम, तेलुगु सार्वभौमत्वम అంటే సర్వం సహా సమ్రాట్. I control, I own, I'm responsible, I'm accountable. That's what sarvabhaumadhikaram is, sovereignty. And sovereignty on whom? On the population, of the population, sovereignty by the population, sovereignty of the population, sovereignty for the population. And that sovereignty is confined to a particular area called a geographical entity. We call this as Bharat, somebody calls it as Pakistan, some other country calls it as China. And what is the last one that is important? Government, the third one. The third one is government. What is government? Government is an instrument of the people to serve themselves, and also to make the concept of sovereignty internalized as well as externalized. In other words, without government, the country's efficacy cannot be communicated to itself or cannot be communicated to anybody else. Government brings legitimacy.